guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our monitoring spirit that they call the sun don't come outside, they let us know, say Arsenal go turn to Richarlison if they no fit get Gabriel Jesus. Because I no go lie for you, the way things they stand now, when the say play say Real Madrid, they use style, they enter the race, and Chelsea they very serious. I know say Tottenham Hotspur dey for the race, but Tottenham Hotspur will not be fully in because them never know whether Hurricane they come out, because Bayern Munich said don't they ask after Hurricane. So what they stop now, Baba? I would like to join us because Lewandowski is leaving for Barcelona. So many things they go on, but Arsenal faithfuls, Arsenal hierarchy, they scam say okay, if this one no work, maybe we'll go run enter this corner. So I no just know, because when you check out, we see Chelsea they go Champions League, Real Madrid, Shola, every season they go likely win something, and as a player we don't be serious winner when they used to winning. You know, go like to come Arsenal if say in a season you know be no sure. No, now the truth I know you talk for forget about the Arsenal fan. In a season you no sure say will they win anything. You would like to go where we say at least no bad as bad as it bad. They go feel win one small thing. So now the situation where we find ourselves in, and you know bad, no one as a day like this now, we could go for people where we say we know, so if we go for they go feel agree or pay the money where Man City. You see, it is one thing say Man City say 55 million pounds, you can't pay. Gabriel Jesus can say no, I'm not choosing Arsenal. That is one thing. Don't be say you accept personal terms with Gabriel Jesus, yet you cannot pay the fee that the selling club is requesting for. No one knows, it's a no-brainer now. It makes no sense. Today night transfer window don't officially open. Today is the 10th of June, so transfer window don't open. So now official, so we don't do for transfer window like this now. Even though deals don't go low key before today, so now we say don't officially open. So no excuse again. So now we can fly, call anybody. No, it is their season again. Call any player, alpha. Making no be like say window never open because they call our player. What they do? So now more they see as things they go. More and more active deals now on the year. Omedu Gaspar don't turn down Manuel Akanji offer from Dortmund. This will be the offer and to us say make we sign him, make we use him for our team. But we no go feel like use the guy because we get a lot of centre backs. We go out on loan, we go see come back to us. So all these things, that is why we don't really need the deal. When you look at it, we are looking at Pablo Man. We'll get centre backs. So centre back shouldn't be our problem. Unless maybe they plan to sell some, because we have Ben White, we have Gabriel Morales, we have Rob Holding, we have Saliba, we have Trusty, we have Pablo Mari. Who again? These are about 6. I don't count 6 like this now. Let's say maybe Pablo Mari they will still sell them. At least we have 5, and we are playing 4 different competitions. Maybe that is why they want to get one more. I never really know. I think they want to get one more. Well, because those normal injury will come, suspension, COVID. I never know how all these things will take place. For the watch. Our Crystal Palace don't agree personal terms with Sheikh Dakore where they play for Lens. This guy na Lens D. And once upon a time, Arsenal been go for the guy, say they won't sign now, say they would like to use him, but Crystal Palace don't rush ahead of everybody go sign personal terms with the guy. So whether Arsenal will agree with the guy also, I never really like go people. What I know to say this guy will we go for before Crystal Palace don't run ahead of us go sign personal terms. And what make us the door for other defensive midfielder, because we are looking at people like maybe Yuri Tillemans. So okay, we could try to get Yuri Tillemans. I think that is what we are after. Liverpool don't thank Divock Origi, and they thank him for 8 years when he stay for them, and he don't be free agents now. So many pundits don't come outside. They ask, say, should Arsenal go for Divock Origi? That's the question a lot of people are asking, because the guy is still very good. AC Milan almost signed this guy. I don't know what he's going to do the deal. We'll be saying, nah, the deal never go through. So many people are saying, Arsenal, go for this guy. It's going to be good for you guys. I don't know what you think. Should we be going for a Divock Origi? Because they don't tell Edu Gaspar, say, go for him. He's still good. He's a Liverpool legend. He still get many things to offer. Just be say, them get some younger players so they will like to try. That's why him not going to play there. And everybody won't play for World Cup. So, so World Cup will come in midway to the season of next season they come. So everybody wants to play. So what do you think about this Divock Origi? Should we be going for him or not? But Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside and let us know say Fiorentina will still try again to buy Lucas Torreira despite say the deal collapsed, because Fiorentina don dey make everybody dey vex. They come dey talk say na only 7 to 8 million dem get to buy Torreira. Meanwhile, when they sign the contract like loan with an option to buy or obligation to buy, when they sign with Arsenal, when Torreira they go on loan there, the deal was a £15 million deal. So okay, anyhow it be, if una gbadu the guy style and una wan trigger the offer, see what you una go pay. They gbadu the guy play well for them. At the end of the day, they come dey talk say, our money no too much. I don't just understand why it be say, like a lot of people they ask, why it be say whenever we want sell our own players, now nonsense money now we go there like £10 million, £15 million. Can't we hear £30 million? Can't we hear 35? See the way other people they bill us. So you mean say all our players are shit back like now average players we sign. So we no get valuable players, so we fit sell. Say okay, see the amount. Look at a Wolves wey they call Ruben Neves, £70 million. Can we sell our player like that? Any of our midfielder? Come on now, wow. Richarlison himself don't come outside. They tell Everton say he won't leave. You get say as it be like this now, he don't overstay and welcome. He has really tried for them. So this is like the high time for him to leave. So he go like to find in square roots and what he don't explain, don't let them know. So as things stand now, Everton said that say okay, no one, they don't slap £65 million for his head. Say okay, if they try to say one go, anybody will want sign up, see the amount so una go pay. Make una bring money, come collect them. So it is what it is. So I don't know how it go be. If Arsenal said the talk say they would like to carry the guy, well, can we pay that £65 million? That's the $1 million question. Ben White don announce in engagements to im partner wey they call Millie Adams. So Ben White say he wan marry, time don reach, get. So they come show two of them where they snap picture, they do the kneel down, they propose, all those kind of package now. So well, wish him all the best of luck as he go dey close to tying the knots with him partner. Wish him all the best. Jack Wilshere sef don come outside talk say he no understand why many of the fans they criticize Arteta, like why then they vex with the guy. Like say the team is progressing. So you can understand the angle of Champions League, like Arsenal did not qualify for Champions League and a lot of people are angry. But overall, yes, holistically, when you check everything, you see say the team improved. Where they end last season, where they end last 2 seasons, before this immediate past season now, we just go. You get so when you check everything and see the kind of players we then get where they don't throw away. Look at they don't reduce the wage bill drastically. You say the team is going in the right direction just because unfortunately we could not get the Champions League slot to get. But next season we can still give it a go. You get say anything can happen. Someone just cut down the slack and reduce the volume of the criticism for Mikel Arteta. Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside the talk say Arsenal like Bissouma. You get. But the only problem with them is they would like to confirm whether they will fit get Yuri Tillemans or not. Then if they don't fit get Yuri Tillemans, then they will go head on for Bissouma because Bissouma self like Arsenal. Arsenal like Bissouma. Yuri Tillemans self like Arsenal. Arsenal like Yuri Tillemans. But the problem now is say make them discuss. I just believe say from today moving onward now we'll hear some kind of serious transfer news, transfer dealings again. So now what me I expect. Let's just see how things go on because I want my darling club to buy good players. Get to go for our midfield because next season I don't want all those kind of Crystal Palace or those kind of Newcastle where they bully our players for the middle of the pack. I don't want all those bullying again. People say bully some people now. Our Bukayo Saka down there invited by Prince Charles and the Duchess of Cornwall, will be Camilla. So one event so that they hold for Buckingham Palace. Get. So now about 500 celebrities they invite. So they can't invite Saka. That's why Saka can't take permission from Gareth Southgate coming for England setup. Can't go the event. So well, the host and where now small boy see the way they look around. I say, look at this small boy. Well, wish him all the best of luck. Make him enjoy himself in there on holiday. Arsenal won't make late move to sign Sven Bostman, and this guy now really defender he gets. So the guy Spurs go for him for January. He say no, they go there and reject them. Newcastle go and reject them. Say no one Newcastle package, no one Spurs package. Now AC Milan package now ain't be they go for. I don't know what's they hold the deal. Why the deal come the play say they collapse. So Arsenal it looks like maybe there's an opportunity here for us to get into the race to sign him. The guy is a very good defender. He helped Lille win the league before PSG can win him now. So he really tried. I think that was 2020-2021 season before PSG can win 2021-2022 season. So he is a very decent centre back. That's why everybody they look for him. So Arsenal self don't want to join the race. Make them know whether they will fit carry him. That's why we say with AC Milan they don't really agree. We don't understand what they go for the deal. Well, anyhow way they go, I will let you know. Brighton himself don't slap £50 million on Cucurella. When I see this news, I just laugh because who be Cucurella? She because Man City now come say okay, Zinchenko, you can find your square root. We want to get Cucurella and put in our left back. She now go make Brighton come slap who him be. How many goals in the score? How many assists in the score? Where they go slap 50 million pounds for your head. They just want to exploit Man City. They don't want to make the guy even go join a big club. They can even win something for his career. And this one now go affect us one time, because if Man City no fit buy him, then they no go sell Zinchenko now, because they still need cover. Because Cancelo go do that as the first choice, but if Cancelo maybe something happen or him get injured, Zinchenko go fall in. That's the major issue now. So make them do normal abeg. If na 30 million pounds, give them the Cucurella collect money so that Zinchenko go fit come our own side. Now my own prayer with that. So if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get them out.